Hey guys, now I got a lot of questions on mewing. Daniel, what's mewing? Does it really work? Daniel, please make a video about mewing. So in this video, that's what I'm gonna talk about. What is mewing and does it really work? I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hey, if it's your first time here on my channel, I'm Daniel and welcome to DLM Model Lifestyle. Now subscribe and also click that notification bell so you won't miss any of the next videos. Now, what is mewing? No, yeah, but no, that's not the type of mewing that we're talking about. Mewing is a disciplined oral posture technique that improves your facial structure, meaning your jawline, by altering your tongue's resting position so that it rests on the roof of your mouth with your teeth closed and together and your lips closed and together as well, while breathing through your nose. It also involves chewing and swallowing your food the right way. So it's a form of myofunctional therapy that people do because they want a more defined jawline, because I think it will make them more attractive. Now the question is, does it really work? Well, some of you guys are thinking, oh, this is so stupid. Some of you are thinking, wow, this can actually work. This might be actually very, very cool. And some of you are thinking, it works. We've tried it out already and it's awesome. Well, what does the evidence say? Well, first check out Dr. Mike Mew. Yes, his surname is MEWING. So yeah, they named the whole mewing thing after his surname. He's the guy that started this whole thing. Well, I'll add his video for you in the video description so you can check him out. But the International Association for Face Growth gives many case studies of children as evidence that it does work. There's also a study published in the Korean Journal of Orthodontics in 2014 that says it works. There's also other research studies published, like in the European Journal of Orthodontics, in the Aga Khan University Hospital, and other experts show that mewing does work. Now, I personally believe that more research should be done on all ages, not just mainly young kids and young adults. But apart from those studies, I also did a little bit more research. Even in YouTube, a lot of the videos in the comment sections below, I went to go and read and see, hey, is there some people who experienced this themselves? And there were a lot. There are many, many people. Do I believe all of them? No, because people lie, right? But it is very hard not to believe so many people that says it does work. So do I believe that it works? Well, let me answer you in this way. No, not if you're not gonna do it consistently for a long time. But if you are disciplined and if you do it the right way, then yeah, I believe that it can work. So why not try it out for yourself and test it and see first-hand experience if it works for you or not. Now, would I do it? Well, honestly, right now in my life, no. Because there's things that I want to focus on more and I want to spend my time on improving other areas of my life. But I have realized that I have actually always kept my tongue unconsciously on the roof of my mouth. Now, did that have an influence on my jawline? I don't know, maybe, probably. But I do believe that we should try to improve ourselves inside and out in a healthy, balanced way. But if we worry too much about our looks all the time, it's not that healthy. So if you're not happy with your looks, then check out this video and subscribe to my channel and we will talk soon. Cheers!